What's up everybody, welcome to Detail Garage Los Angeles. Today we have a quick tip on how to protect your wheels. So we brought in this 2012 Bentley Continental GT and it's got a really beautiful gloss to it. The top's in really good condition, the interior is great, but the wheels, they get subjected to brake dust, water spots, and they're also outside a lot. So we want to show you guys a quick tip on how to protect it without using a coating or having to polish your wheels. Just one simple product being Max Coat Wheel Guard. Now to start off today, we're going to wipe down the wheel just to remove any of the water spots, the brake dust or anything that could be on the surface, just using some P40. And this is a quick detail spray that we put in one of our professional spray bottles. We'll spray it directly on the surface here. We'll just give that a second to kind of emulsify anything that could be on the surface so we're not scratching that finish. I'm going to use a black workhorse microfiber towel, starting at the top and working my way around. It's a busy day here in the detail garage, so we're going to have a little bit of noise. But that's to be expected in an active shop here, so bear with me, but we'll get through this. And like I mentioned, a lot of people would have said just put a coating on this or some type of, ceramic or carbon. But the reason why we're going with a wax is because not a lot of people feel comfortable putting on a coating because they're afraid they're going to either mess up their finish or do it improperly or the improper prep. So a wax is a real simple way. It doesn't take a lot of, experience or practice on how to put it on. Simply apply it over the entire surface, give it a moment to kind of haze, and then you buff it off. Another advantage to using a wax is it's a very low maintenance type of product. You basically just apply it and you can reapply as necessary. You can apply multiple coats. You don't have to worry about high spots or staining or anything like that. Same thing you would have if you put on a sealant, but in my opinion, the Max Coat Wheel Guard is the best way to go because it's designed specifically for all kind of wheels that are painted or glossy or polished, and it's going to enhance your shine. It gives you a nice layer of protection so that it makes it hard for water spots or brake dust or basically anything that's contaminants to stick to the surface. Now you see we have this beautiful gloss finish here already, but we're going to enhance it using the Max Coat, and we're just going to apply it to one of our applicators, which we've designated for chrome or metal surfaces, being the gray. Take off the lid here and we'll just apply just a very small amount, because with any wax you want to spread it fine or a very thin coat. This way you're saving yourself some product. It also saves you time on the buff off. But the thin coat essentially is all that's going to be bonded to the surface. There's no need to do a heavy coat, but if you want that additional layer of protection, just add more layers obviously. Rather than putting on a heavy coat at first, you just want to put a fine film on it, let it haze, and then buff it off. And then if you want to, you can add more coats for more protection as well as more shine. And we're just going to work our way around here, make sure we get in all the crevices and all the spokes. Give it a moment here, and then we'll buff it off. So as I'm working my way around the wheel, I'm trying to make sure that we're not having any dark green spots, which would indicate that we have a heavy amount of wax there. It doesn't need to be a green film or green tinge. You just basically want to have a light haze over the entire surface. And you can use this on any kind of wheel, again, that is glossy like this, which is chrome plated or polished or painted wheels that have a gloss finish. You can also use it on your exhaust tips to help repel any kind of carbon or any water spots or any staining. This will make it easier for you to clean your wheels or any surface because it's blocking out anything that could stick to the surface. So essentially it's going to keep them looking cleaner for longer. And again, it's going to enhance your shine and make the finish last as long as possible. So this will only take a couple of minutes to bond to the surface. In the meantime, we can move our way to the rest of the wheels. You guys can check out Max Coat Wheel Guard on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. Come say what's up at Detail Garage Los Angeles with the guys. They'll help you out, get everything you need to get your car looking its best. If you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below on anything else you guys want to talk about, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.